What's the biggest secret to building muscle? Everyone will tell you you just have to eat more. But what if I told you that's actually terrible advice? I know it sounds crazy, but the real secret isn't eating more, it's eating the right amount more. There's a perfect number that unlocks muscle growth without piling on fat, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to find it. So where does that perfect number come from? It all starts with your personal TDEE, or total daily energy expenditure. We calculated this in the first video of the series. If you don't have your TDEE number, pause here and watch that first video. It's essential for what comes next. So what is the core principle of growth? It's simple. You can't build a house without bricks. In the same way, your body cannot build new muscles without a surplus of energy. It needs to know it has more than enough fuel to handle its daily tasks and have extra left over to build new tissues. Therefore, to start the bulking phase, our first move is to eat more calories than our TDEE. How much more should you eat? Think of it like watering a plant. Too little and it won't grow. But if you give it too much, you'll drown it. We are looking for that sweet spot, for what we call a lean bulk, which means maximizing muscle while minimizing fat gain. A surplus of 10% to 15% above your TDEE is the perfect place to start. This encourages steady, high quality muscle growth. You can go faster with 20% increase, but be prepared for more fat gain along with the muscle. Patience is your best friend here. Now let's talk about the quality of that fuel. We need the right mix of protein, fats and carbs. Protein is literally the bricks you are using to build the muscle. You need a steady supply. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight. This is non-negotiable for growth. Healthy fats are essential. They keep your hormones, the construction managers of your body, working properly. Aim to get about 25% of your total calories from healthy fat sources. Carbohydrates are the high energy workers that power your training sessions. After your protein and fats are set, the rest of your calories should come from good quality carbs to fuel your efforts. Okay, theory is over. Let's make this real and apply it to Bob from our first video. We know his TDEE is 2720 calories and his weight is 75 kg. We'll aim for a 15% increase in TDEE for a lean bulk. This gives us our new target, 3128 calories to distribute among proteins, carbs and fats. First, let's lock in his protein. We'll aim for 1.9 grams per kilogram. We take his weight 75 kilos and multiply it by 1.9. This gives us 143 grams of protein, which is 572 calories. Next, we calculate fats. Let's aim for 25% of his total calories. We take our new total of 3128 calories and multiply it by 0.25. That gives us 782 calories from fat. Divide that by 9 and we get about 87 grams of fat. Finally, the easy part, carbohydrates. The rest of our calorie budget goes to carbs. So 3128 minus the calories from protein and fats leaves us with 1774 calories. Divide that by 4 and you get about 444 grams of carbs. And there it is, a complete practical daily plan for a successful lean bulk. And that's the game plan, team. A smart calorie surplus fueled by the right building blocks. Listen to your body, stay consistent and trust the process. Once you are ready, you can move on to the cutting phase to reveal your hard work, or the maintenance phase to lock in your results. I'll guide you through those in the next videos in the series. If this video gave you a clear plan, hit that like button and subscribe for the rest of the series. Now go get it.